Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 3 strong buy stocks that just picked up new analyst ratings today. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. With over 8,000 analysts on TipRanks, you can bet that there are new stock ratings rolling in constantly, and we can stay on top of these by taking a look at the daily stock ratings page. Of course, you can find this on the TipRanks website or download the app by following the link down below. Today, we're taking a look at 3 stocks that overall come in as strong buys and have recently picked up a new price target from top-ranked analysts. So let's dive right in. Under Research Tools, you'll find Daily Analyst Ratings over here on the right, and you'll get your full list of the most recent stock ratings. Now, we're going to filter down our list to analysts with 4 or 5-star ratings and those that are coming out with a buy recommendation. In our results here, we're going to start off with a Susquehanna analyst who recently gave a rating on Keysight Technologies. Keysight Technologies trades under the ticker KEYS or KEYS. With a market cap of $26 billion, the stock is currently priced at about $146 per share. While they have seen gains over the last few years, the past year is fairly flat, with drops in recent months. Despite these declines, we have seen an uptick in popularity amongst investors. While just 0.1% of all portfolios hold the key stock, we have seen a 3.5% increase in the last 30 days, and that goes a bit higher when we look at the top investors, increasing over 6% this past month. Keysight Technology provides electronic design and test solutions. The company offers software design tools and services which are used in the design, simulation, development, manufacture, installation, deployment, validation, optimization, and secure operation of electronic systems. With over 30,000 customers across 100 countries, 23 of the top technology companies use Keysight. They have over 3,800 patents issued or pending and over 15,000 employees. Back in March, Keysight increased their long-term operating model, now expecting organic revenue growth to be sustainable at 5 to 7% compound annual growth rate. They're also expecting their earnings per share to increase at 10% annually. Their next earnings report is coming up soon. They'll be reporting in a couple weeks on May 16th, where analysts will be anticipating earnings per share of $1.95, an increase from last year's. And when we look at their history here, they do have a solid track record of exceeding those expectations. Despite beating earnings expectations in their last quarterly report, the stock did take a hit, but analysts largely came in saying that that was a buying opportunity. We have a lot of analysts coming in with buy ratings from a couple of months ago, but that most recent rating, of course, came in just today. Altogether, the Keysight Technology stock has 9 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy based on 7 buys and 2 holds. The average price target comes in at $195, which would be an upside potential of 33.5% from current prices. Taking a look at our detailed list, we have that buy rating today from a 5-star analyst at Susquehanna, giving it an upside potential of 42%. And a lot of the ratings in the last couple months are also in those double-digit upsides. Our second company picking up a new buy rating today is called Quanta Services. Trading under the ticker PWR, their stock is currently priced at $168 per share with a market cap of $24 billion. Their stock has seen solid growth this past year, up 39% and 10% in the last 3 months. Quanta Services is a leading specialty contractor with one of the largest skilled labor forces in North America. They provide fully integrated infrastructure solutions for the utility, energy, and communications industries. They self-perform more than 85% of their work, collaborating with their customers to provide cost certainty and safety. The company's geographic footprint spans across North America and Australia. The company says that their infrastructure opportunities are significant and sustainable. Quanta has meaningful exposure to highly predictable, largely non-discretionary spend across multiple end markets. It's estimated that 74% of their 2022 revenues came from utilities and renewable energy developers. The company reported their Q4 earnings back in February, and for the quarter they had revenues of over $4.4 billion and over $17 billion for the full fiscal year. Their Q1 report will be coming up soon on May 4th. Analysts will be anticipating earnings per share of $1.12, which is down from the previous years, but the company does have a strong track record of exceeding those earnings expectations. The Quanta Services stock currently has 11 analyst ratings, of course, the most recent coming in today. But what's also great to see is that analysts have been increasing their price targets. Overall, the stock comes in as a strong buy with 9 buy ratings and 2 holds and an average price target of $181, which would be an upside of nearly 8%. If we scroll down here, we can see that most recent rating coming in today from 5-star analyst Sean Eastman. Now, he gives the stock an upside potential of 13% and recently increased his price target to 190 up from 174, and we've seen several other analysts do the same. Of course, a lot of price targets are from a couple months ago following that Q4 report, so we'll see more analysts weighing in after May 4th. And our third strong buy stock picking up a new analyst price target today is Chesapeake Energy. With a market cap of nearly $11 billion, their stock trades under the ticker CHK, currently priced just shy of $82 per share. Now, they have seen growth of 6.6% over this past year, but have been on a bit of a decline lately, dropping nearly 12% the last 6 months. Chesapeake Energy is a U.S.-based exploration and production company. Chesapeake Energy is engaged in the acquisition, exploration, and development of properties for the production of oil, natural gas, and natural gas liquids from underground reservoirs. With large positions in the top U.S. plays, the company says they are answering the call for affordable, reliable, lower carbon energy. It is worth noting that back in 2020, the company went through some restructuring. Back in June of 2020, the company voluntarily filed for Chapter 11 protection. As of February 2021, they successfully concluded their restructuring process, emerging from Chapter 11 and satisfying all conditions precedent under their plan of reorganization. They say that through the restructuring process, the company was able to fundamentally reset their business and strengthen their capital structure in a sustainable way. The company came out with a big earnings beat in their Q4 earnings report, and Q1 will be coming up on May 3rd. In that Q4, they reported earnings per share of $4.22, well ahead of the analyst expectations of $2.93. On May 3rd, analysts will be anticipating earnings per share of $1.70, but hopefully we have another nice big surprise there. In that fourth quarter, they saw net income totaling $3.5 billion and net cash provided by operating activities of over $1 billion. The analyst rating that came in today is not just a reiterated price target, but a brand new rating, so they just initiated coverage on the stock, and they are one of 12 analysts that currently have a rating on Chesapeake. The stock comes in as a strong buy based on 9 buy ratings and 3 holds. The average price target is $109, which would be an upside potential of nearly 34% from current prices. Initiating coverage today was 5-star analyst Neil Dingman from Truist Financial, coming in with a $100 price target, which would be an upside potential of nearly 23%. And we have a handful of ratings coming in the last couple of weeks. While we do have some holds with a pretty flat price target, a lot of the others have some solid double-digit potential, including one with an upside of over 53%. So there we have 3 strong buy stocks, all picking up some new ratings from top-ranked analysts just today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on these 3 companies. Which stands out the most for you, and what do you think about their future growth potential? I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. Please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.